said to her, then you know that.
Lisa, you're funny. Nalipit.
Chuga.
Chuga na.
I'm gonna tell them. Tell them. Tell them.
Dito tayo mga kachika. Dito pala ako sa town kasi may pinost ako sa post office. Tingnan nyo, tag 2 pounds lang to mga kachika. Lunch pack. Yan. Tapos mga ganito. Ayan, may kasama na siyang tubigan. Tapos ito, 2 pounds lang siya. Ayan, bumili ako ng isa. Tapos ano to? Ilang peraso to sa ilalim? 3-in-1. Ayan. Doon na sa ilalim. Tapos meron din bags. Nagkuha din ako ng isa kasi sa Lina kailangan niya ng backpack. Yung backpack na ginagamit niya ngayon, nagre-reklamo siya kasi maliit daw yung backpack niya. Kaya tamang tama, ayan, 5 pounds lang. Ayan, ayan backpack. Tamang tama din yan. So, ito lang yung bibilhin ko. Duman ako dito sa Costa mga kachika. Ayan, medyo matagal-tagal na tayo hindi nakapunta dito. Kain tayo. Maya-maya pa kasi yung bus. Kaya wala naman akong ibang pupuntahan. Yan lang. Punta ako ng post office. Tinamad na ako maglakad yung ano ba, nilalakad ko yung medyo malapit-lapit sa bahay. Dito na lang para maiba. Daan ako dito ng test ko mga kachika. Ito ba? Gusto to ni Alina. Nagkuha tayo ng isa niyan. Ang baon niya sa school. Minsan kasi ano dito tayo sa meat kasi minsan meron yan silang ditong liver, chicken liver, or sana ba parang wala man chicken liver. Wala nga. Meron silang ano, mackerel, sea bass, pizza,
Din tayo ng bagel kasi naubusan na kami ng bagel. Babae na ito na yan sa akin. Ayan lang, ito lang bibilhin ko mga katsika. Yan lang. Kasi kailangan namin ng corn mamayang gabi. Extra food ng mga bata.
Lalakad na ako sa bus stop. Tingin-tingin muna sa dito na lang ako. Bus stop na ito. 2:36 pa lang pala. I think na-miss ko na yung 2:25. So, nasakyan ko nito ay ano na yung 2:55. So didiretso na lang ako sa school. Bata. Medyo late na ba? Pero hindi naman ako super late. Pero iniisip ko na magpa-plancha pa pala ako ng uniform ni Alina mga kachika kasi may taekwondo siya later. So hindi ko pa pala na plancha yung kanyang taekwondo uniform. Masaglit lang naman yun. Plancha-planchahin ko lang kaunti ba para hindi siya maano. Sinuot niya na kasi yung 2 beses kaya nilabahan ko na. Pero saglit lang naman talaga niya yung sinusuot eh. Pero kailangan na siyang labahan ba. Dito na tayo. Misa,
No.
you don't like walking?
No, because long way.
Long way? It's not long way. It's good walking, good exercise.
Yeah, you don't have to walk all day.
All day? It's not all day.
I mean, every single day. Every single day.
What you say?
Every single day.
Lisa, you're funny. Nagpa-shopping yata si Mr. mga kachika. Daddy is not here.
This is orange.
What color is that?
I think it's orange or
Oh yeah, the orange one.
yeah. I put in the yellow bit. And this one is like this one. The little bits are here.
Damn, you went there as well?
Yeah, because there's like there's a picture of a ball. The Pirate Festival was talking about it. And I said it's ball bent. I said to her, then you know that picture in the boards. I went there on Saturday.
What she say?
She said, really, I went there as well.
You really look good on you, your uniform, na? It suits you.
Yeah.
Kalsada din ang likot. Masyadong rough road. Rough, yeah. Very rough, yeah.
She got boyfriend already. At least you know you got boyfriend already, so you marry him, so you can wear your wedding dress when you're older. What? Yeah. No.
Lisa, you're funny. Dali, babe. Kung kailan maggabi na, sana nang gumanda yung araw. Dali, be. Lisa, hold my arms, please. Come here. Hold me. Dali, be. Doon na. La, 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 la. Boy, kaliguan ko yung dalawa mga kachika.
Yeah.
Kailangan nilang maligo.
I just caught a secure delivery driver flying down here in a van. I stopped him. She does not wait for me to cross the road. And she usually waits for you. She must not leave that curb until you walk. Leave that curb. You understand? This one. Huh? Alina does it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Huh? But she just runs across like nothing. She's going to get hit by one of these clowns. You understand? The delivery driver was flying down here. He said, well, I was only doing the limit. You don't do the limit down there. That's 30 miles an hour. You crawl down. Huh? Watch out.
Your hair is getting long. Long na.
Can feel it.
Feel it?
Yeah, I can feel it.
I got something to show you. You know what? You lost your
Lisa,
hair again.
you don't cross the road by yourself, okay?
I put it away.
You wait for Mama or Daddy.
With my what?
Huh?
My dress.
Drawer where? Where? Where?
You know, for my books, I put it there. I don't want to put it there.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you lost it.
No, I just want to put it there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Show me.
Yeah, I want to put it there.
You lost it? No.
I'm sorry.
There is so many. It's okay. With so many kids stole your stuff in there.
What's stolen?
Her Alina, she got one like this here, and it's gone. The second time, she got also nice one. I gave it to her.
Well, tell the teacher tomorrow.
It was nice kitchen bino snake.
But I still got that little thing. But
Have you talked to the teacher?
No, because I just noticed that
Well,
now.
there's 2 times now. You better deal with these people. Okay?
And now I saw it's here. Alina got one same like this, and now it's gone.
2 gone.
2 gone now.
You gotta tell them. Tell them. Tell them. You thieving little rats. You have to control your stuff, Alina.
okay.
Who took it?
I don't know who took it.
Where was it then?
I was before. I was right there, but I didn't realize I was there.
Where was your backpack?
Where you put your backpack?
And I put it in my locker.
Locker.
Yeah.
You got a key?
No, I don't have a key.
Just put inside like that.
Yeah,
That's it.
there's like a thing. You turn it, open like that.
So there's no key? Find out where the keys are, the lockers. You ask him. Are you listening? Find out if you got keys to lockers. That's the problem. You're putting in a locker and the little shits are taking it. That's what's happening.
May ganito, binilhan ko sila ng ganito. Tapos sa kanya nawala. So, nung last time din na, kaka-start lang din niya dyan mga kachika, pangalawa na, kaka-start lang din niya, meron ako, gold din yun. Gold talaga siya na 24 karat gold na, alam niyo yun yung kitchen na lucky, yung lucky ba na yung, yung totoo talaga siya na may 24 karat gold sa loob. Yun siya, snake.
You tell them this. The kids are going back with these, the parents see it. Right? So why are they not bringing it back to the school? You would ask that question. That's the question you should ask. These little.
I just noticed today. Now.
The point is, like with Elisa's cardigan, they're going back with it home, but the parents keep it. Understand? That's the problem. They're not going back. The kid's not taking it back as like it's a mistake. This is theft.
Tapos ngayon, totoo yun siya mga kachika kasi binigay ko sa kanya. Hindi naman din ako nag-expect na nanakawin ba, magnanakaw pala dyan sa mga classmate niya. Ko alam kung classmate niya o ibang mga bata. Tapos, yun yun siya mga kachika, 24 karat na yun siya, na yung sa ilalim ba. Tapos, maganda yun, talaga, kitchen. Tapos binigay ko sa kanya, sabi ko na, wag mong walain to ha. Tapos ayun, mga ilang araw na wala nga mga kachika. So ginawa ko, bumili na naman ako sa Shein ng ganito, tig-isa sila. Hindi naman to kamahalan din, nasa 1 pound something lang yung bili ko nito. Pero kahit na, di ba? Kahit kaunting bagay, pero hindi naman din maganda na nakawi naman. So ngayon ko lang din na na nandoon sila sa labas, naglalaro. Wala na naman, ito lang yung natira. Ayan. Kasi ito, medyo mahirap to tanggalin. Kaya siguro hindi to nanakaw kasi medyo mahirap siya tanggalin. Yung ganito kasi, yung ganito nila, ni Alina, tig-isa, ganyan mo lang siya, maano siya mga kachika, natatanggal. Yung talaga, yung isa lang, hinayang ako nung kasi yung binibilhan ko ng gold, binigay niya yun sa akin, sabi niya, bigyan kita ng parang lucky charm nga yun siya. Tunay nga yung nasa ilalim kasi parang nakalagay siya nun sa lucky chain pala yung tawag noon, lucky chain na may snake na manipis na gold sa loob, ganun. Nawala. Tapos 2 beses na, ko na talaga yan bukas reklamo. Kasi yung iba yata, kahit alam nila na nakikita nila na, gaya nga sabi ni Mr., kahit alam nila nakikita yung mga anak nila na may gamit na hindi sa kanila, o di ko din alam kung alam din ba ng nanay ba na nagnanakaw yung anak nila. Kay Alisa, okay naman, nandito. Kay Alina lang talaga. Ito, matigas kasi ito tanggalin. Where we get this one, be?
TK Maxx.
TK Maxx? Ito naman, Alisa, nandito pa. Nakakainis talaga ba? Why you lied to me that you said that you keep in the drawer?
No.
It's not nice you lied like that. Why you just don't tell me?
So I put in my. So what happened is I was look at my bag. Shocked because I lost the big one but not the little one.
Oh, like this. Which one you lost it?
This one, but not this one.
But it's impossible that it dropped. It's not easy to take it off. So what you do?
I didn't lose it. You take it off.
What you do? You do like that, Lina, like that.
It's not lost. Someone took it off. You can't lose that.
It's not easy to take it off.
These lockers, are they just anybody can are they in the classroom, the lockers?
No.
Outside?
Yeah, outside.
Yeah, but so everybody can go in there. That's the problem. Anybody can go in there.
Kasi nung time na bago ko lang to binili mga kachika, naglalaro sila doon sa playground. May bata doon, titigan niya talaga yung backpack ni Alina. Ito talaga, tinititigan niya, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos tinignan ko yung bata, tumingin siya sa akin. Sabi ko parang may balak talaga siya tanggalin ba kasi inaano tayo, tinititigan niya talaga mga kachika. Kaya doon parang naghinala na ako nga, baka ito yung nagnakaw sa ano niya. Pero yun nga, sabi niya na yung locker nila ay ano lang ba, na-open lang ba ng ibang mga bata. Mas nilalagay niya doon yung ganyan niya. Ay, grabe naman yun. Uy. Doon naman dati, nawawalan siya ng mga gamit gaya ng cardigan pero nababalik man mga kachika. I think may isang bisis yun na hindi niya nabalik. Paano yung nawala. Five minutes.
Alina's fault. It's the system.
Yeah, I know. It's not her fault. I know. I didn't blame her. That's why I just remind her that she has to look after her, her stuff as well.
No point saying that because it's not her fault. It's not Alina's. It's not your fault, Alina. Huh? Not your fault. Not your fault.
Gusto niya, I wanna be a princess again. Princess na naman yung dumit niya. Ang dami-daming dress. Yan talaga yung paborito niya. Ito, kay Alina pa yan. Hindi talaga yan sa kanya. Let's go na, babe. Tara. Lina, Lisa. Hi. Hey, let's go. Gonna be very tired tomorrow. Come on, let's go. Dito tayo. Ito nga yung backpack mga kachika. Yung nakalagay dito ay half price. So akala ko yung price niya ay kasi dati ay siya 9 pounds 99. Ayan. Tapos yung nakalagay ngayon dito ay 4 pounds 99. So half price nga talaga siya. Tapos nung binayaran ko na kanina, kasi nga ito yung kinuha ko. Binayaran ko kayo ng mga kachika. Nagtaka ako, sabi ko bakit 6 pounds lang. So yung nakalagay dito, tapos yun na nga, di ba may nakalagay doon sa yung malaking container, tapos kung saan to nakalagay na, lahat pala doon ang nasa loob ng container na yun ay, siya, tag 2 pounds. So, yung tatlo na ito na kinuha ko, ayan, ito nga kay Alina, Kasi nga ito yung backpack niya. Naliliitan siya mga kachika, lalo na pag mag-PE siya. Nilalagay niya pa dito yung kanyang, ang tawag dyan, yung kanyang shoes, ganon. Gusto niya isa lang yung ano, wala siyang ganong bit-bit. Tapos ito, ililipat ko na lang to kasi ito na to. Yan. Yan yung kanya. Tapos ito nga yung nabili ko. Ngayon, parang ano to siya ba mga kachika ba? Baunan ba yung lunch bag? Ayan, lunch bag to. So, nabili ko lang din to siya ng 2 pounds. Marami pa doon. Pwede ba to ganyan? Sobrang liit pala. Ay, ganyan. Bibili pa sana ako nito lang. Mayroon pa doon. Tapos, yan, 6 pounds nga lang binayaran ko na ito lahat. So, nakasave ako ng, basta ang laki ng nasave ko nito. Yung tatlo na ito. Tapos ito nga, yan siya. May french fries. Tapos, sa loob, may donut. Maganda. Tapos sa ilalim naman ay pizza. Hindi pa ito nakita ni Alina. I'm sure pag makita niya to, sabihin to na ito yung gagawin niyang baunan bukas kung magbabaon siya ng lunch niya. Ayan. So, di ba? Ang ganda na. 2 pounds lang. Saan ka pa? Yung ano nila, yung post office, palagi yan sila nagsisale. Maganda yan siya ba pag magpa-box ka ba na papunta sa Pinas, kung maka-timing ka. Palagi naman talaga yan sila nagsisale kasi ginagawa nila yung pag may bago silang parating na mga kachika, mga items, parang every week sila nagsisale dyan, post office. Marami pa doon mga sale, mga laro-laruan, mga gamit man, ano ba, school supplies, ano. Nadali na muna. Papatulugin ko na yung dalawa kay 8:30 na. Ha? Ayun na mga kachika, end ko na din yung video kay kumain na ako. Mag-skincare na lang ako. Mag-edit ng video. I-edit ko yung ito na video na ito. Thank you mga kachika. Ingat kayo and God bless.